how to trust dates on your items. So, for example, let's see if I can read it here. For this kale, it says best if used by 8/13. And if I'm being honest with you, today is well past the 13th. Whoopsies. So does that mean I'm gonna throw away my kale? Nah. Maybe like the best if used by basically talks about like when the item that you have in front of you is at its peak usability or freshness, or when it's gonna taste the best. That doesn't necessarily mean when it expires or when it goes bad. And so especially with this kale, what you can do is, let's say you have a bunch of baked goods or like greens that you're not ready to use. If you know you're gonna use them in a couple days, you can stick them with a paper towel in the fridge, and the paper towel will absorb the moisture, and allow you to have a little bit more of longevity, so you could still use it in a salad. And if you don't do that, or you don't want to do that, you can always freeze them and then just put them in baked goods or thaw them later on. I do that all the time, especially when I buy, because I buy in bulk sometimes when I'm meal prepping and it's just more affordable, or if I'm getting things that come in larger quantities, then I'll just freeze what I can't use. When I do freeze them, I try to put them into baked goods instead of raw salads, because that's just my preference, but you can always eat them raw as well. It's not an issue.